Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, I'm going to be making a change up here on the Kioti by taking off the backhoe. So let me get this set up and I'll show you a little bit better on it. Okay, down in here, this piece right here is a cam lock that locks over, and there's a retaining pin for it down below it here. You can barely see it right down there. And so what I got to do is I've got to take pressure off of the retaining cam here so I can pull the retaining pin out. Once I pull on both sides, there's another one on the other side over there as well, pull that out, then I because it's still going to be hooked up with the hydraulic hoses here, then I use the stabilizer controls and the boom and stick control to lift it off. Once it's off, then I pull the tractor forward a little bit, and then I can disconnect the hydraulic lines from the backhoe and reconnect one of the bypass lines under there, and I'll get to that in a minute. So right now I'm just going to try to get this done. I'm just going to set this up over here and we're going to see how that works. They did not make this easy with this little pin and stuff trying to get it on and off there, so I got this side done here, and I gotta go get the other side done. Loose. Let's see if I can lower this down. All right. So there it is, it's separated. I just got to do the hydraulic hoses. Now one of the first things I got to do here, now it's turned off, is wiggle the joystick around to bleed off all pressure. And then try popping these things loose. So if I can get us lined up here so you can actually get a visual of it in here. It's going to be kind of hard to see here. Okay. Okay, first one is this one. And then this one. These are color coded. This one here is missing its white color code. This is the blue one, and this one's red. And boom, there we go. So cap on that one, and no plug on that. That one has its plug here, so put the plug on that one and put it in here. Put this one here up here. Okay, now this piece here has a cap for it, so I'll put that on there. And this one here that was on here comes up and locks onto the other one on the tray on it, so that completes that circuit. And so we are disconnected. That's probably one of the easiest disconnects I've had in quite a while. One of the things I did here, I'll make it easier to rehook it back up. I put a cement block under here so it doesn't set all the way down, set down too low. What happens is the stabilizers will bleed off over time, and it'll settle down in the dirt. And that was the problem when it was sitting over there before. It settled down. I had to get the weed eater out and clear all the weeds around it so I could see what I was doing. But now this is disconnected, and now I can go back into the shop and hook up the 3-point bars to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take it over to the shop, and we'll take care of that over there. All right, so back over here by the shop, I got the two lower arms here positioned here. The upper arm is on the drag box over, and I'll put that. I don't need to put that on until I go over there to hook it up. So, but now that I've got it here, when I took these off, I set them to the opposite side, so moved it off to the side so it would be on the right side where they belong. Now, the backhoe hooks on this upper pin and this one down here. Now to put this on, I got to take this lower pin off, so it's got a keeper here. And when I slide this out, it's got a bushing here which goes in between here. So this is where it gets, how's I going to put it? Sort of like needing 3 hands to do this. So I'm going to bring this over here. And so what I do is, I'll get that one, the pin started just a little bit. That doesn't pinch my hand here. Just a little bit, so I can slide the spacer pin in here and see if I can get it to come in here. There it goes. Yeah. Once I get that spacer on there, like the flex ball usually goes in fairly easy. There we go. And then put the keeper pin in here, get it to line up. Okay, the bottom part's done. Now up here is the top one, so I take the retaining pin off of it there. Lift this monstrosity up here, slide it on. It is a bit heavier once I have the Pat's easy change on here, but it's well worth it, the hassle of it. Now this one is in place, and now I just have to do the other one on the other side. So let me move around over there. Then I just repeat the process. Remove retaining the keeper here. Pull that out. Slide the beast over. This one wants to be, go. There. There we go. Got it on. Now all I need to do is just go over and hook up the drag box to it. But I'm not going to make you watch that because I already showed you how I hooked it up when I installed the Pat's Easy Change on it. All right, so I'm going to say goodbye and go ahead and start doing some more work out here, grading out here. Take a quick look out here. So I got this cut down here with the and pulled back with the backhoe attachment and the loader bucket, and I got just a little bit more work to do. Come around over here on this side here. I just need to get in there with a shovel and just kind of dig all this down, and then clean it up. Once I have the drag box on it, I'll kind of clean it up and get it to where it needs to be. Alrighty, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, whether it's a tractor or something else, and I'll see you around the next video.